Greetings everyone. Let's discuss today about IELTS listening skills and tips. So, learn and understand the directions by attempting model test and prioritize to study questions and not the directions. Be prepared for the questions might ask you to do like complete a sentence, check a box or choose a letter. So when you are reading to the instructions, be vigilant about the questions and the types of the question and the demand of the question as well, because most of the time you are supposed to select two appropriate or two correct answers in the same question. Keep on taking notes on your question booklet as you listen. So each and every part of the listening skills have the same or may be the different requirement. Circle the answers or you can change your mind while transferring the answers into the answer sheet, as you will be given time to do it on listening skills test. If you don't know any answer, so you can guess the answer. Sometimes it happens that the speed of this speaker is very fast, so most of the time you can just omit the actual information so you can guess the answer instead of leaving it blank. After answering your questions, you can preview the next set of questions, and in this way, you can assume or make assumption about what you will hear next. This you can do most of the time in fill in the blanks option. Sometimes the correct answer is repeated. The test will use synonyms or paraphrases instead of the actual word. The focus should be to listen to answers to the questions. Don't stuck on a question. If you don't hear the answer, then go on, because while doing that, you will miss the second answer of the next question as well. The answers are always given in order. For example, if we'll hear the answer for question number 8 and not hear the answer for question number 7, it means that you have missed the answer and you will not hear it later. When you write a word in the blank, then spell it correctly. It does not matter if you will use British or American spellings. Spell correctly, otherwise you will get a lower score. Mark your answers correctly if you are asked to write a letter, for example, A, don't answer it with a phrase. So, pay attention with speakers correct themselves, because the second statement is usually the one that contains the correct answer. Most of the time the speaker, when they are speaking, so first they will follow the one idea, then later on maybe they can change the statement or maybe they can change the idea, so you need to pay attention it to closely. Incomplete or shortened answers, that is times and dates, will be marked as incorrect. Answers that exceed the word limit even with the use of a or the will be marked as incorrect. A variety of accents are used, including British, American, and Australian. Practice listening to different types of native speakers. Practice for a full hour, half an hour, or half hour. Concentrate and do not let your mind wander while doing the listening speaking skills test. Can you repeat main ideas and details from what you heard? Can you summarize what you heard? So these are the questions which you are supposed to ask yourself while doing any practice test for the IELTS listening skills. And the more you will practice, the more you will be able to do it appropriately in the actual exam day. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates related to IELTS, English grammar and English language skills. Thank you.